What's up, YouTube? Sorry about the delay in videos. I was having some computer issues. I bought a new computer though. Get out this door. Lock this door. Hold on. Better. Okay, so like I was saying, I apologize for the delay in videos. I was having some computer issues. I have now scrapped my MacBook and I bought an iMac, so we're back to business. As you guys can tell, I uploaded 2 videos back to back, and then now we should be back on regular schedule. My hair is thrashed right now, yeah, I gotta haul ass to the shop, but I need to stop and get a jewel first. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I will see you at the shop. Okay, so I made it to the shop. Got my boy Nick in the chair, and gonna do a tutorial for you guys. Super creative. Nick has the shag in the back, but we're gonna cut the shag in half, but we're gonna shape it, and also we're gonna do the south side fade up top. Because he's thinning up here, but I can save this with a south side, so we're about to make my man look right. Here's the before. Real quick.
Your shears always work better than yours.
And then now we're about to go into it. Let's go. What is up, YouTube? We are back with another tutorial. This one is super creative and I love it. It's a south side fade with the shag in the back. Y'all don't understand the shag in the back, man. That's a culture. But here we're gonna start with the 1.5 all the way around. So my man Nick is balding, and we used to do this just the south side on him, but then he decided to grow the shag out, and so now he wanted to. Normally I do a shag with the 1.5 up top, and then like some bald tapers on the sides. But he came in today, or he came in this day, and said that he wanted to try something different. He said, "What do you think it would look like with the shag and the south side?" Because I used to do the south side on him too. And I said, "Man, let's do it. That'd be dope." So that's what we're gonna do. So 1.5 up top. I'm eventually gonna take it down to I think a 1 open though, just to get a little bit closer around his hairline and stuff. But yeah, it's a super dope haircut. I love doing south side fades. He's the only one I do them on though. I wish I had more. So right here I'm just gonna section out because he wanted to trim down the shag a little bit so it wasn't so squared in the back up top. So we wanted to add a little kind of a triangle shape to it. So I'm just gonna section it out, and then that's where I'm gonna start my bald lines. And I'm not gonna talk too much on this. It's a pretty simple haircut. You pretty much just bald from like the apex back, and then you just fade, reverse fade forward, so the front is the darkest, and then it fades out to the bald in the back. So I really like this beat too, so I'm gonna let the beat ride out. But it's pretty simple. Just follow along. I'm gonna try to put a chart on here. Actually, no, I'm not, because I don't have one. I'm not lying. I need to make a chart so I can put a chart on here. But it's pretty simple. I'm only gonna use up to a 1 guard because I already did the 1.5. So just follow along. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I will be glad to answer anything y'all have questions about. Other than that, I'm just gonna leave this to y'all to enjoy this beat and watch this little time lapse of me doing the south side shag. South side fade with the shag. So we call it the south side shag. Name this haircut in the comments below. I want to know what y'all think of. Name the haircut. But I'm gonna let y'all get to it and watch this, and I'll probably jump back in and out a little bit to touch up on some stuff, but for the most part, just ride it out and kind of pay attention to what I'm doing. Let's go. juice in there. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Also, go follow my man Nick's Instagram right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Shout my boy out for letting me put him on my YouTube. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Yo, it's your boy Teezy, man. Click on my face right there to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.